in the passing away of late Dr. Didi Lapang, former Chief Minister. The state of Meghalaya has lost a seasoned politician and administrator. Prior to his political life, he had been actively engaged in public service in various capacities. The challenges he faced in life from early age never restricted his determination to overcome, but rather became a springboard that shaped his determination, his strength, and his resilience. Among the many contributions he will be remembered for, he was noted for establishing many educational institutions and welfare organizations across the state and in particular in Ripoi district. Late Dr. Didi Lapang formally joined the National People's Party on December 10, 2018. This event was not a sudden or impulsive decision on his part, but the result of several rounds of discussions. Prior to his joining to the party, I had an opportunity to meet him on many occasions. We discussed at length the future direction and all-round development of our state. Probably these were very strong reasons for the late Dr. Didi Lapang to consider joining the party. In his own words, he told me, "Preston, I'm going to end my political journey with this party." Friends, his words has really happened today. I fondly remember my personal association with him. In the year 2003, I had been elected as MLA for the first time. It was late Dr. Didi Lapang who appointed me as Minister of State to assist him in planning and industries departments. This decision that late Dr. Lapang took gave me the opportunity to serve the state and gain the required experience in administration through his guidance. I cherish my association with Dr. Didi Lapang for his foresight, his forthrightness, and above all, his friendship. He will be remembered in the years to come as a statesman who immensely contributed to the growth and development of the state after its formation in 1972. Therefore, my sincerest and deepest condolences go out to his wife, Amethyst Linda Jones Black, children, grandchildren, relatives. May the Almighty grant them peace and strength at this time of loss and sorrow. Thank you and God bless all.